Magandang gabi mga ka-commute. This is a full circle moment for Andrews Campus and we're so proud to finally introduce to you our newly crowned Mr. and Miss CSU Pasok 2026. We have here Gregorio Maliwat from Andrews Campus.
Of course, we also have here Miss Trixie Dayan Maza, also from Andrews Campus. So Miss Trixie, this is a question for you. How do you feel right now as the newly crowned Miss Pasok 2026?
Of course, I'm very proud and honored to represent our campus and to win the crown and securing the back-to-back crown for our Andrews campus. That is why I'm very pressured, but I'm also very honored to represent our campus and wishing na sana sa regionals ganun pa rin.
For you naman, Greg, which part of the competition did you enjoy the most and why?
For me, the swimwear one, because my idol is Kirk Bondat, and the body and the charisma, I am actually ginagaya. Can I say that ginagaya? Pero you know, the charisma, I want to get that kasi as your, of course, as your Mr. CSU 2026 Pasok, I want to have that confidence para sa regionals.
Pag tinitigan ko kita, parang nakukuha mo yung charisma ni Kirk Bondat eh.
Yes, and now this is a question for the both of you. How do you plan to make your reign as Mr. and Miss CSU Pasok 2026 worthwhile and also different from your predecessors?
Of course, hindi naman namin basta-basta kakalimutin yung advocacy namin. We're going to find tangible projects na pwede namin gawin for campus and kung pwede na maging tawag na dito, kung pwede maging makipag-communicate sa CSC para mas makuha at mas magawa namin yung advocacy namin.
How about you, Greg? The same question.
Kasi I'm a person who advocates for education eh. And gaya ng sabi ni Trixie, I want the not just in Andrews but to all CSU to implement more symposiums, more fundraisings for children.
That's very good of you. Now, this is also a question for both of you since this marks a back-to-back win for Andrews Campus. So, how does it feel, no, winning that, and any message from your supporters? I want you guys.
The preparation is really hard, pero I think it's really worth it. You know, after all of this, I will eat anything I want. I will eat a bucket of chicken kasi I'm really hungry. I prepared my body, not just my alam mo yun, yung talino ko, but of course my body. And I would like to say thank you to my supporters for the not just to those who supported me in here, but to those people who also watch the live. Thank you. I love you all, guys. Thank you so much.
How about you, Miss Trixie?
Oh, okay. So, hindi na natapos yung kaka-thank you ko sa Andrews Campus, but yun talaga yung napifeel ko because I'm very, very grateful for the whole CSU Andrews community right now. And with their support, we managed to secure the back-to-back crown. Kaya kung masasabi ko, hindi lang yung crown na to para sa amin, para sa whole Andrews community to. Thank you.
And there you have it, mga commute. This has been Dale de Castillo.
And Ira Tauro.